गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सर्वप्रथम पाठशाला। आज की वीडियो में हम कुछ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स को करेंगे, फॉलोइंग विद सम स्टैटिक जीके कनेक्शंस which will be very useful for your exam. The first topic we have is about Indian Navy, and that they have organized maritime coordination to strengthen the security in the Indian Ocean region. And they have brought several countries. Along with that, they have also started to organize the IMEX TTX 2026 exercises at the Maritime Warfare Center in Kochi. Following up with the second topic, that is about Andhra Pradesh gets their first Praman certification under IFWCS. Now, what does this certification ensures is that the sustainable forest management as well as traceability of forest products. Along that, we have also seen in some static GK questions that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is Chandrababu Naidu, with following governor as S. Abdul Nazir. Important places here is Venkateshwar Temple, Nagarjun Sagar Shri Salem Tiger Reserve, and Kuleru Lake. These are just some static information that you might need to remember this better. The next news we have is Haryana Police. Haryana Police launched the Abhiday model application. Abhiday model application basically इसका purpose ये है that it blocks the threatening and extortion calls. Along it, it also improves the cyber security safety for the civilians and the citizens. Now यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखें तो कुछ स्टैटिक चीजें आपको दी गई हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पे कौन सी बर्ड सेंचुरी है, कौन सी लेक है और कौन से डांसर्स यहाँ के फेमस हैं. प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू गो थ्रू दिस एज वेल. Following up with the next state, that is Karnataka. Karnataka's government released a draft digital detox policy. और इसका मेन एम ये है कि जो स्टूडेंट्स मोबाइल एडिक्शन से परेशान हैं या फिर काफी ज्यादा एडिक्टेड है मोबाइल फोन से, सो उनको इन चीजों से बाहर निकाला जा सके. एंड साथ ही साथ दे हैव आल्सो रिस्ट्रिक्टेड सोशल मीडिया यूसेज फॉर चिल्ड्रन below the age of 16. These are again some static GK information related to Karnataka. You can go through it. Then let's come to Nepal. Nepal has removed examinations up to class 5th and as well as banned student politics. Aim is to improve the learning environment for students and so that they could focus better on education rather than politics. Coming up with the next news is that India launched the Calm Brain, country's first digital respiratory psychiatric disorders, and it is developed by NIMHANS National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, and NCBS TIFR. It basically supports the advanced mental health research as well. Following up with the next news, that is the German mathematician Gerd Faltings received the Abel Prize 2026. Abel Prize is the mathematics award, and it is basically awarded when someone contributes to arithmetic geometry. Arithmetic geometry. Moving up to our next news that is related to hockey awards. Navneet Kaur received the Hockey India Balbir Singh Senior Award 2025 Best Female Player, and Hardik Singh received the same award in the male category. Following up with the next news that is about the BRICS presidency. India assumed the BRICS presidency for 2026, and the theme for this BRICS youth track is building for resilience, innovation, cooperation, and sustainability. Following up with the next one, the International Olympic Committee announced that the transgender women will not compete in women's event from 2028 Olympics. Reasons are given as fairness, safety, and integrity in the women's sports. The 11th news we have here is from Andhra Pradesh, which tells us that they have launched the Divyang Shakti Yojana, and the benefits are that free bus travel for persons with disabilities in the APSRTC buses. The 12th news we have here is about Tulip Garden, Asia's largest tulip garden, opened in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. The features are that they have over 18 lakh tulips and more than 70 varieties. And this is very important related to in terms of tourism questions. Continuing with the next news, that is about Indian Navy. Indian Navy participated in Sea Dragon 2026, an anti-submarine warfare exercise in Guam, conducted by the Quad countries India, USA, Japan, and Australia. The 14th news we have is about CCI conference. The Competition Commission of India organized the 11th National Conference on Economics of Competition Law in New Delhi. The focus areas were digital economy, artificial intelligence, and regulatory challenges. 15th news we have is exercise Amog Jwala. Indian Army conducted the exercise Amog Jwala at Babina Field Firing Range. The purpose was test mechanized warfare, multi-domain operations. Following up with the 16th news, we have the floating lidar system. The National Institute of Ocean Technology tested a floating lidar buoy system near Mutom Beach. The uses were it measures the wind speed and the direction over oceans, and it is very important for renewable energy and ocean tech. Coming up with the last two news we have is the CBD report. The CBD report basically tells us about that India submitted its first national report under the Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD, and it focuses on accessing and benefiting the ABS and also the Nagoya Protocol implication. Hope you like this video and do subscribe to our channel. These are all the current affairs for April 4th, 2026.